Hello, this is Dirk, Attractive, and I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble the bushes from the shock. First, this is the tools we have. We have the hammer. We can use this tool we made for the bushes. It has a little hook on there, which we can put in the middle of the bushes, and then we can hit on the tool and hit them out. Or if you don't have this tool, you can use a just normal screwdriver and hit it here a couple times around on the other bush, or even you can use this tool. So we use this tool. I put it in between the bushes and I hit it. I go around and around till it drops out. Now we have the O-ring and the bush out. We can turn the shock around. Then we do it again for the other bush. Okay. And again we have the bush and the O-ring out. For putting the new bushes in, we take again the O-ring, pretend this is the new bush, I put on top of that, and I can put it in the vise and put pressure on the bush, and the bush will go in. It's a press fit, so we'll just go in. And then we do the other side, the O-ring again, the other bush, put it in the vise, and we screw it in tight, and we've got the new bushes assembled. So this is how we replace the bushes.